Hello everyone. In this video we will be going over a proof, or rather an explanation, of why the limit of sine of x over x as x approaches 0 will go to 1. And the argument here will be geometric. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle. So x goes to 0. We're going to draw a circle. Good enough? Go from the center, draw a line out to here. Then we're going to draw a triangle. So from here, we'll have it touch another point. From that same point, make a right triangle. And then we'll have from this point, make a tangent line. So it looks tangent enough. What we have here is, let's just assume this is the unit circle. And let's assume that this angle right here is x radians. This is x radians. So this is going to be, since the arc length is just r theta, the length here of this arc is x. Now let's also look at this. The height of this thing, since this is 1, the hypotenuse is 1, the height here is sine x. But now let's look at this thing, this line over here. This line is, because if you look at here, since this is a tangent line, this is a perpendicular, or sorry, it's a right angle. And so what we have is that this is the adjacent side, that's the opposite. So tan x times 1 is going to give you the length of this thing. So this is tan x. And so let's look at this. We have a little bit of an inequality here. You're going to notice that this line is going to be smaller than this entire arc. But this tangent line is larger than that arc. I think it's pretty easy to see why that is. And so we're going to make this little inequality. So we have sine x x is going to be greater than or equal to tan x, which we're going to write as sine x over cosine x. While at the same time, it's less than sine x. Or it's greater than, sorry. So what we're going to do here is divide both sides by sine of x. So each part of this inequality is going to be divided by sine of x. And so the left term is going to be equal to 1. So 1 is less than or equal to x over sine x. And the right term is going to be equal to 1 over cosine x. And so the value of cosine x, as x goes to 0, is just going to be equal to 1. So this means that by the squeeze theorem, x over sine x approaches 1, or that sine x over x goes to 1. So this is the description. This is the explanation. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it was useful. And thank you for watching.